Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexis. I am still sick, but my friend Evelina has challenged me yet again with another avant-garde look. I really loved the last one I did, so I'm really keen to do this one now as well. So again, still not very well. My voice still sounds a little raspy. I'm popping, freaking whatchamacallit, lozenges like they're candy at this point. But if you guys are interested in watching me create this avant-garde look, then keep watching. so this is my final look. I really hope you like it. I am very pleased with this. I love this look. It was super simple. There wasn't a lot of like technical aspects to it, but you in the picture that you see, it's very soft and very dainty, and that's what I tried to do. That's why I was really light on the blush, very light highlight. In the picture, you can see that quite clearly on the bridge of the nose, there is a bit of highlight there. So I was trying to highlight that and a bit into my cheek as well. Yeah, pretty simple, but absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning. I'm going to take a few pictures, and then I'm going to have probably another coffee, and then I'm going to take my sick ass to bed. So, if you guys like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I upload a new video, and I will see you guys really soon. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, shit.